In this video, I'll show you how to remove the head strap of your Meta Quest 3. In case you want to replace it with another one, or if you purchase the Elite strap. By the way, I have a link in the description if you want to get the Elite strap, which is much better than this one. Well, you'll know how to replace it. So what to do, it's very easy. You're going to turn your device like this, facing with the lens facing you. And let's say we want to remove the right side first. You're going to see over here there is a separation, you see? So what you need to do is to take your thumb and make this movement. So apply some pressure on this part, not on the part attached to your headset. So hold it with one hand, the other one I'm holding the headset, and simply declip the head strap like this. So this is how you remove this side, and you're going to do the same thing on the other one. Stick your thumb over here on this part and simply declip it like that. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. It declips quite easily. So this is how you remove it, and obviously on the top over here you just have to undo the Velcro and then glide the strap this way and you'll be able to remove it completely. Okay, now how to put everything back? Well, take your new strap. Let's say this is a new strap. And to know where which side goes, well, definitely just check the small hole over here. This needs to match the headphone jack here. And we'll need to clip this part first before clipping the part with the headphone jack. So we're gonna place the strap like this, align it, make sure over here the hole aligns, and then we're gonna press on the top. Take your thumb and your other fingers. Perfect, you see, it has clipped back. And then over here, just push it with your thumb and it will clip over here as well. Do the same thing on the other side. Start with this side. So I'm gonna align it here. Okay, the hole, I'm gonna press. And then I'm gonna press the other side as well. Whoops. Like that, until it clicks. If you start by pressing on this side, it won't work. I've tried many times and it's much harder. The best way is definitely to clip it here and then here. So this is how you remove the head strap of your Meta Quest 3 and how you put it back. I hope this was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check again the affiliate links in the description if you want to get the Elite strap, and I'll see you in the next video.